Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add paragraph mark symbol in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add paragraph mark symbol in this document. Click inside the text box. Then go to the Insert menu. Then go to the Symbol drop down menu and go to More Symbol. Now we can see here open a window. Now we want to add a paragraph marks. Find the paragraph marks, then select it. Then click Insert. Then close the window. Now we can see we added a paragraph mark symbol this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.